pasok. Mainit ngayon dito sa Universal Studio Osaka. So we're going to water park anak water park show. Yeah, you know, we went to a lot of Universal but hindi pa namin napanood yun. Time na yun. So ito, first time na yung papanood. I think the show will start in 12 minutes. So we're heading there right now. See you tayo. Summer. Summer, summer, summer. That's a good one. I like that. Ma, Jurassic ride. Ma, Jurassic Try natin mamaya. Jurassic, alam mo ba? Basahin ka dyan eh. Hindi Jurassic yan. Jurassic yung may 3D din. Dahil dito naka-water cold, naka-water car namin. Jollibee me, right? Yeah! Para ma-rehydrate ka. Sa Super Nintendo DS. Water World. We've been through a lot of Universal. Itong Water World na to, hindi pa namin napanood. Ngayon pa lang. Right, Alan, no? First time, no? Hi! Hello! 前の人の頭があれよ! Alam mo na parang... Mada tsuzuki ga aru zo yo! Wow! Yeah! Motto ite! Seno! Motto koi nasai! Seno! Senne! Kamate! Seno! That's good.
ゲート閉めてマーク見張りを続けてネイジー・サチェンコは
お前生きてたのかテレビカードニクお前いつもお前もゲームにてじゃあ行かせてな 新しい世界の海さあ離せ貴様の飛行機に当たっちまったのか許さだろこっちへ来るな
Nintendo World. There you go. Woo! Finally. Finally. Nintendo World. Yay! Take a photo, Alan. Nice. Nintendo World. Super Nintendo World. Alan the room with Alexandra and Jodie, Mama Jodie. Yay! One more. Yan. Let's enter the tunnel. Let's go. We're going in. Hey. Hey. It's gonna be a different world. Oh, look at that. Wow. Amazing. Stay here and take a photo, guys. Look at that, huh? Alex, stay there, huh? Man. Amazing. Amazing. Look at that, huh? Alalo ko ha, inside oh. Wow. Matching siya dito oh. Hindi talaga siya nagko-cover. Bagay pag kumain sila ng mga rami ingay. No, ganda yan lalo pag sa gabi lalo anak. Yeah. Alex, are you okay? What happened? Good? Okay, let's go, kuya.
Yep. We go up the stairs and then the entrance is that castle.
Okay, let's hold her here. Good. Yeah. Buti malamig dito, di ba, nak? Good. It's okay to wait. Hey. Ang waiting time is 1 hour and 30 minutes. Pero okay lang yun kasi Mario Kart to. New attraction to. Hindi naman new, pero sabihin natin mga 1 year na. Pero worth it naman yung pagpila. Okay nga dito malamig, may aircon, kaya okay lang na magpalamig dito. Ayun o, dito kami sa dungeon. There we go. Ba't nagpunta ka dyan? Guys, an hour and a half na kami nag-aantay. Pero okay naman. Thank you. My name is Mario. Mas kumaka pa si Luigi. Alan. There, Alex. Wow, nice. Go. Alan here. 4 of us here. Pa, dito raw. Hello. Hey, Ma. Makinig yung sombrero mo.
Yeah, 20.
Yeah, the guy.
This is the
Ride's the best. Recommended. Pag nagpunta kayo ng Nintendo World, maganda. Ano binili mo anak natin? Mario. Yeah, Mario Kart. Display lang yan. Display lang yan. There you go. Dinner time after we ride the Mario Kart. Hey! My name is Mario. Hi Alex, what's that? Si Kinopio? Kinopio. Kinopio, nice ride. Daming tao sa Osaka, Japan. Nintendo World. But it's really worth it. Ang ganda no? Ang ganda oh. Well, you feel like you nasa ibang dimension ka. Para ka talagang nasa loob ng computer. Ang ganda oh. Look at the color here. Amazing. Kakain na dito, high-tech. Para ka nasa Mario. Okay. Hi, Ma. Kain muna kami. Kain muna kami dito sa Mario Restaurant. Tired Allen, no? Alex. So. Ito, restaurant muna. Maganda siya guys. Masarap ang pagkain. Ay tayo. Mamaya pakita na ang pagkain. Kinopio! Hey! Yay! Guess what guys? It's Donkey Kong! Yay! Woo! Donkey Kong! Nice! Ready for it. sa Donkey Kong ride. Okay. Panalo, right ma?
Yes! Sulit na sulit ang isang oras na.
Right Alan, no? Right? Good?
Quick day.
Kasi yan dito sa ano, sa Donkey Kong area. Donkey Kong Country.
Yeah. Oh, really?
Yeah, but not short.
There you go.
The one that went to the Universal last time.
How about you? Good. Yeah. Good. Guys, salamat sa pagsama sa amin. Thanks for watching. God bless. Bye. Bye.